In this problem, we are given matrix A and matrix B, and we are told to find A times B plus B times A. So all the work here is shown for you, and I'm going to walk you through how we're going to get these numbers. So let's take a look over here at the left. We have AB equals matrix A would be 2, 1, 4, and 3 times matrix B, which is negative 2, 3, 1, and 4. So to find what goes into here, how we get these numbers for A times B, is first we're going to take row 1, multiply it by column 1. So what we do is we take this 2, multiply it by this negative 2, that will give me a negative 4. Then we add that to this number, this 1, times this 1, which is 1. So what we have is a negative 4 plus 1, which gives me a negative 3, which goes here. Now to know what number goes where, if this is row 1 times column 1, well then our answer is going to be in row 1, column 1, which is right here in this spot. Now we do the same thing with row 1, column 2, and this answer is going to go in row 1, column 2, which would be right here at this 10 location. Now to get this 10, we're going to go through the same process that we just did, where we take this 3, multiply it by this 2, so we're going to get 6. Add that to this 4 times this 1, which gives me 4. So we have 6 plus 4, which gives me the 10 that goes here. Now we need to find this third number down here. So this is found by taking row 2 times column 1. So our answer is going to go in row 2 and column 1, which is that spot right there. So, same process, we take this negative 2, multiply it by the 4 here, that gives us a negative 8, plus 1 times the 3 is going to give us 3. So we have negative 8 plus 3 is going to give us this negative 5 right there. And now this last spot, the 24, we find this number by taking row 2 times column 2. So this is going to go in row 2, column 2, so right here in this spot. So, same process where we take 3, multiply by the 4, we get 12. Add that to 4 times this 3, gives us 12. So we have 12 plus 12, which gives us 24. Okay, now to find B times A over here on the right, we go through the same process, but the order makes a difference. So B comes first, so we have this matrix right here, times A, which is this matrix right here. So we multiply, we go through the same steps. So to find this 8, that's in row 1, column 1. So we take row 1 times column 1. So we're going to get negative 2 times 2 gives us negative 4, plus the 3 times the 4 gives us 12. So negative 4 plus 12 gives us 8. So that goes right here in row 1, column 1. So row 1, column 2, the 7 is going to be found by taking row 1 times column 2. So we take 1 times negative 2 gives us negative 2, plus 3 times 3 gives us 9. So 9 plus a negative 2 gives us 7. To find the 18 right here, which is found in row 2, column 1, we're going to take row 2 times column 1. So we're going to get 1 times 2 gives us 2, plus 4 times 4 is 16. So 2 plus the 16 gives us 18. And that goes right there. And then lastly, for this spot right here, it's found in row 2, column 2. So we find that by taking row 2, multiplying that by column 2 right here. So the 1 times 1 gives us 1, plus 4 times 3 gives us 12. So 1 plus 12 is 13, and that goes right there. So now we have AB all over here on the left, and then BA all over here on the right. So now when we add the matrices together, we just add the corresponding parts. So the top left, we add with the top left, top right, we add with the top right, and etc. So negative 3 plus 8 gives us a 5, that goes right there. The 10 and the 7 gives us 17, which goes there. Negative 5 plus the 18 gives us a 13, which goes there. 24 plus 13 gives us a 37, which goes here on the bottom right. One last final note, keep in mind that the addition and subtraction only works if the matrices have the exact same dimensions. So here we have 2 rows and then 2 columns. Over here we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So therefore we can add them together and we get this as our final answer.